Hi, this is Anthony, Recovery Coach. You're at Restoring Self-Respect series. This is the introduction for the sixth of the series on restoring self-respect, and it is appropriately self-respect. Now, self-respect is what this whole series is about. This is where this whole process started. Well, actually, it had an earlier beginning, but we'll let you in on that shortly. When doing the program called self-respect, I guess I should introduce what that is and what we'll be talking about and working over. Self-respect is actually can be broken down into five or six basic areas. And in my opinion, in my discovery, self-respect is actually a result of mindset, meaning it's something that you do every day and you either give yourself self-respect or you don't, but it's based on a particular mindset you hold and a belief that you hold about yourself and about others. Self-respect starts with a recognition of inherent worth. That would be your worth. It also includes setting and upholding boundaries, authenticity, which really means being true to yourself and others in your interactions. It includes positive self-talk. How do you talk to yourself? Do you criticize yourself? When you make a mistake, do you call yourself an idiot? That whole self-talk piece is actually a major part of self-respect. Self-respect includes taking responsibility for the choices in your life, caring for your physical and mental health. Do you exercise? Do you eat well? Do you give yourself opportunities to digest and reflect? An area that I've focused on in this course is also refusing disrespect from others. So if individuals, others, are disrespecting you, how to handle that and maintain your personal self-respect, and maybe how to handle them. Self-respect includes continuous personal growth, and also we're going to talk about the distinction between self-respect and what is often termed martyrdom, which means giving up self for the proverbial greater cause or the bigger cause. There are instances in times when a person believing something was greater than them gave up their own personal value. And in this particular course, you're going to sort out if that was a good idea, bad idea, did it serve you, did it serve all, and have an opportunity to really get through that piece of it. This is the sixth course in Restoring Self-Respect. It is the culmination of all those. There will be a couple other little pieces to it, but congratulations on starting and finding out about restoring self-respect. My name is Anthony, and I'm your rehab coach.